Consistency is key. That was something I learned my junior year during college, and man, had to learn it the hard way, but also had fun with it too. When I showed up to class and I showed up to work, I got paid and I got good grades. Well, I didn't get paid to go to class, but I got paid at work. On the other hand, when I stopped posting on YouTube my first semester, I couldn't serve you as much and I couldn't connect with you guys as much. Okay, so the second thing that I learned this year was, what am I focusing on and what am I putting my time and effort into? Am I putting my attention into things that are just temporary and earthly? Or am I really taking time to look into things in the future and just stewarding the things that I've been given well? I thought a lot about, okay, what am I going to invest in and what is something I can do? And so this past semester, I really spent time making a ultimate college checklist for you guys to get, so that whether you're going to the University of Tampa or going to another college, you can be prepared and get actual details about college that they don't tell you in the admissions letter or they don't tell you on social media of their college. You see, when I was a freshman, I didn't have anything that said like, okay, this is what the University of Tampa is really like. All I had was somebody saying, hey, have fun partying. And I was like, well, I'm not big into the party scene, so that's gonna be a challenge. So I had to learn the hard way. But in this ultimate checklist designed just for you, you get everything from dating with the long distance partner, what you actually need to bring, how to make friends easily, and even what to do while you're in college. So it's not just a checklist that, you know, you pick up and then you go to college and you're like, whatever, but it's a checklist that you can get and use while you're in college. So please check out the description for more details on how to get one yourself and where to go for that. This next thing that I learned sounds simpler than it was for me, and it was just the idea of loving better. Again, when Kat and I were considering getting back together, which we ended up doing in January, I really had to examine my heart and be like, okay, how can I love better than how I was before, and what was I doing wrong before that I need to change now? And even with friendships and relationships that were challenging, in and through them all, my mind and my heart is saying, okay, how can I love better? How can I just show the love that I've been given and the love that I've received and show it to them? Something that I talk a lot about on this channel and with you guys is just the importance of community, especially in college. But something that I really learned this semester and this year was the importance of opening up to that community and just being vulnerable and also getting their input and advice. For me, at least, when I'm just so internal and in my thoughts, like, I'm kind of blinded by what I don't see. And so if other people can see and speak into it, like, phew, it was just powerful to experience wisdom and safety in community. And this next thing that I learned was communicating how I'm feeling, when to say no, and how to place boundaries. I am naturally a people pleaser. I like to be, I don't know, on good terms with everyone. But my organizational communication professor here at the University of Tampa would always tell our class, where there's people, there's conflict. And so you're not always going to be on good terms with everyone. And I realized that this semester, communicating how I'm feeling and not just hearing what they had to say is important too, because, you know, relationships two-way. And knowing the respect that you deserve and just your expectations of any relationship, any friendship was crucial for me to learn and to keep learning. But of course, I couldn't have made it this year if it wasn't for my awesome JanSport backpack. Love these. Link them down below so you can get it for your first year, another year of college, and just for all around college use. Along with that backpack, you want to be prepared fully for college. So I made a video on what to expect going to the University of Tampa at least, which you can find here on the screen. Go join me over here on this video and I'll see you over there.